Hello, welcome to Texas Tech University and the College of Media and Communication. This video is to help incoming students understand how to use resources dedicated to finding and registering for classes. If you need any additional help, your advisors will be able to help you during your group advising and one-on-one advising sessions. The resource that we will look at in this video is Schedule Builder. Schedule Builder is helpful when students are trying to make their schedules for the next semester. In order to get to Schedule Builder, go to www.radarlink.ttu.edu and enter your eRadar username and password. Next, click on the My Tech tab. Under the My Tech tab, there is a section with the title Manage My Enrollment. Under this title, click on the Registration drop-down button and click on Schedule Builder. The website will be redirected to a page that looks like this. Click the green Continue button and a sidebar will open that looks like this. The first step in using Schedule Builder is to choose a term. Click on Fall 2020. Next, click on the blue word Select to select your campuses. Because Texas Tech is a multi-campus university, it is important to narrow down which campuses you are selecting to take courses at. The easiest way to choose campuses is to click Select None and then select Lubbock TTU and Distance Electronic TTU. The Lubbock TTU means that all of those classes will be in person at our main campus in Lubbock, Texas. Distance Electronic TTU means that all of those classes will be online. One way to determine which courses will be in person and which will be online is to look at the section number. If a section number starts with a number like 001, then that means that is the in-person section of the course. If the section number starts with the letter D, such as D01, then that means that that section will be online. The next step is to type in the course number, instructor name, course title, or course registration number, or CRN. As an example, we will put in common first-year courses that students will need to take. The first course will be MCOM 1100, or Success in Media and Communication. Once you have typed in the course number, a schedule will appear so you can visually see what your school week will look like. One interesting thing about Schedule Builder is that you can block off specific times of the week. So if you don't want to take a class at a specific time, you can block it off and Schedule Builder will create your schedule around that. The next slide shows another common and required course, MCOM 1300 or Foundations of Media and Communication. This is an in-person class and it appears on the schedule in a different color than the first course. Next, we added MCOM 1301, or Digital and Social Media. In order to fulfill graduation requirements, students will need to take courses in English, History, Government, and the Sciences. A common first semester course for first-year students is POLS 1301, or American Government. Another common course is ATMO 1300 or Atmospheric Science. One important thing to note is that the sciences, as well as some other courses, require a separate lab or discussion period. The lab for ATMO 1300 is ATMO 1100. Labs are important because they allow students to have a more hands-on learning experience. A student will not always be allowed to enroll in a class that has a lab attached to the lecture unless they also enroll in the lab. A helpful tool in Schedule Builder allows the student to look at different schedule possibilities. As seen on the screen, there are 6 different results for this schedule. By clicking on the arrows, the classes will move around until the student is satisfied with the schedule. Once the student decides on the schedule, they can look at the bottom and find the number of credit hours that they will be taking for the semester. First-year students take anywhere between 12 and 16 hours their first semester. However, talk with your advisor to make sure that you are taking the right number of hours, especially if you have a scholarship. Another helpful tool in Schedule Builder is that you can save the schedules that you create to go back to them at any time. To save a schedule, simply find the Add to Favorites button and click on it. Once you have done this, the column on the right side of the screen will show that you have saved one new favorite schedule. Click on the Favorites column and it will open up to show all of your saved schedules. You can name your schedule whatever you would like. The example here is Favorite Plan. The last and most important detail that is found in Schedule Builder is at the bottom of the page. There is a blue shopping cart with numbers next to it. These numbers are known as the Course Registration Numbers, or CRNs. Once you are satisfied with your final schedule, make a note of all of these numbers as they are important to registration. If you have any additional questions, email your advisor or talk with them during your advising sessions. Welcome to Texas Tech University. We are excited to see what you're going to accomplish as Red Raiders. From here, it's possible.